Hey there, follow us on a little trip we took, this time to the Canary Islands. Okay, go first. Good morning! Rise and shine, we are awake. We're in La Palma. It's so pretty. I feel like we're on our honeymoon right now. Don't you agree?
This is our honeymoon.
No. We're gonna have another honeymoon. This is our Airbnb. This is the beautiful kitchen space here. It's just amazing. And the view is just of the ocean. And it just feels so comfortable, like a warm hug, like a warm, clean hug. So today the plan is to go into town for a little bit and then get a SIM card. And then I think go on a drive, go to a different town, and then see the sunset on a beautiful beach. Follow me. We are driving. Look at this. Crazy.
Y si nos entregamos y lo perdemos por completo, y si nos tiramos a que esto sea cierto, lo que
Oh my God. We're driving through the island to the other side. We just ascended all the way to the top point of the mountain, crossed the tunnel, came down the other side, and now it's sunny and the vegetation has completely changed. The mountains are totally different on this side too.
y nos perdemos por completo, y si nos olvidamos.
We're seated outside, just sitting here outside the town square, eating a mascarpone toffee. I don't know what this is called. It's kind of like a croissant in the shape of a muffin. Doing some sketching, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. I'm in heaven. Perfect in the frame. We just finished walking in Los Llanos de Aridane, and we walked around, and then to prepare for our hike tomorrow, we went to a grocery store. What was it called? Spare. So we have dinner for tonight, we have lunch tomorrow, breakfast tomorrow, snacks all day for tomorrow. And we thought we might get towed or get a ticket parking here because we really didn't know if we should park here. But then
sure we're fine.
you always think we're fine, and then you always get tickets.
I've only got one ticket.
I've seen you get at least 2 tickets. The trip has been so nice so far, and I always just keep commenting on how nice everybody is, even though not everyone knows English and we don't know like any Spanish. So now we're going to go find a beach to watch sunset, and then we are going to go back home for dinner. So we just got to the beach.
Puerto de Tazacorte.
Puerto de Tazacorte.
Puerto.
Turn left onto Camino Puentes.
Morning, babe. You looking out the window? Oh my goodness. Hello. We are getting in the car, about to head off to the observatory for a guided tour. I brought with me my breakfast, a cup of coffee on the go. It's this little extra, maybe. Going for a more comfy fit today because we're going hiking. Pay no attention to the double fanny packs. But I've got my leggings, I've got my Lulu shirt, and then I have a few other layers in the back. We're almost at the peak of the mountain, and the view off the edge of the road is insane. It's what you see from the plane window, I'm afraid. But babe's doing such a good job. He's keeping us on the road.
The least I can do is keep us on the road.
Guess where we are right now. Okay, now we're going over here around the Caldera de Tabariente. Hello, we've arrived at Roque de los Muchachos, a rock formation here at the very peak of the mountain overlooking the crater, the highest point on the island. Wow, this is so incredible. It's like a dream. Just casually sitting here. Let's just chill. Just chill. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. So this is life. We rolled over an intense pothole up that hill over there, and this is the end result right here. It's like a theater set. So pretty. Good morning. It's our last morning in La Palma. Where are we headed off to today, babe?
To the island of Tenerife.
So we have the whole day in La Palma until 7. You may remember we got a flat yesterday, but we just got ourselves a new car. So we're gonna drive around today, chill, enjoy La Palma's beautiful weather, blue oceans, and then we're off to another adventure. We're now about to set off for lunch. We're gonna find some good food that's outside of the main tourist area because all they have down there is like pizza and really, really, really expensive tapas that are very small. So now we're gonna find a proper restaurant on La Palma. After you, babe.
Action. They picked a great restaurant. A very resort-like feeling, super airy. It's called Restaurante El Halcone. Alright, I didn't want to say that out loud while a waitress was walking by and hearing me butcher their restaurant name.
This is so yummy. This is such a nice restaurant to end our La Palma trip on, right? That fish is like perfectly cooked. When I make cod, it's like eating a carpet.
Carpet?
Yeah, it's so bad.